uNkulunkulu wangasho lutho olutheni ngisathandaza. There was no direction. Ngaqeda umthandazo then ngabuyela ekhaya. Ngifike ekhaya, it is when uNkulunkulu angidirecta khona. uNkulunkulu wangitshengisa indawo engakaze ngibe kuyo engayazi. And wayambula za ebusuku ngilele. It was like umbono nje. uNkulunkulu wangitshengisa indawo. Wangangitshela ukuthi yini igama layo ikuphi. You know, but ngiyazi kuze kube namhlanje njengoba ngizazi because yavela clean and clear wathi this is the place engifuna ukusebenza kuyo. Ngifika ngendlela ngiyedwa. I will be with you. I will never leave you and I will never forsake you.
It's like a
I will guide you. I will guide you. I will help you. I will provide you. Oh God. Okay. Then ngavuka after leyo vision leyo ngavuka ngahamba ngaya kumfundisi wami ubaba uKhumalo. On my way to umuzi wakaBaba kude, like mawusuke emaswazini uyakaqanda, it's another distance engaphezu kwe-distance le ebengihamba manje enkonzweni. So I had to walk from the morning ngize ngifike kaBaba ebusuku ngabo 6. Mangifika khona,
you walked the whole day, huh?
Yes, inyawo ngathi zigcwele ameva so. But I walked because ngangenayo. On my way to umfundisi wami sengizofika nje kunendawo enamasimu. Umoya ngcwele uNkulunkulu izulu as a whole la ngenzela umhlolo. Like umuzi wakaBaba mase ngibona lapha ngaphesheya and la kunama fields nje angenziwe ukuthi abantu batshala khona but bangatshaliwe by that time. Ngidlula khona ngenzela ukwenza indlela ibe lula fika phakathi. Kwavele kwaba nomoya phambi kwami, like umoya osipinayo so as we walk. Kwaba nomoya osipinayo so lento engiqophayo yabo lokho respond to ngiyaqopheka. And it was quick ngalendlela leyo ukuthi ayiqedanga ngisho iminute vele yathi nje masishane mayiqeda lo moya lo qeda ukuthi uNkulunkulu kanti uzonginika uzongiprovide ngemali to go where angithuma khona. Kwaqatha imali from lo moya loyo close to 160 rand.
You're kidding, right? Like in the space, in the space, Jay. Nobody, no
way.
No way.
No, it was a field in the way I must see, but in entry like uhanjwa kuyo. Ngathi mangikala ngicosha ipente rand yokuqala. Ngicosha ngayibamba so ngase nyabuka ukuthi akekho
umuntu yes
olahlekelwe imali because imali ayikwazi kubaningi kangaka ungekho umuntu owelwe isikhwama noma olahlekelwe imali somewhere. Basho ukuthi imina ngedwa nomuntu mina ngedwa and then ngayicosha imali ngimane ngicosha. From that time uNkulunkulu akayekanga ukungiprovide ngemali miraculously kuze kube namhlanje. So ngayicosha ngayibamba so ngaze ngafika kamfundisi wami. Mangifika khona ngibambe so net so alidedeli and I believe ukuthi I real, you know, kodwa ngiyayizwa ukuthi khona ayilahlekile ngibambe. Ngisho baba ngizela uNkulunkulu ungitshengisa indawo eso inje wathi angehle isitolo esithize negama laso ngiyasazi Joko fike ngehle khona ngilinde umama ozofika azongithatha ngizolala kwakhe engamazi but ngizomlinda kuleyo ndawo manje lathi ngilele kuyo. That was a confirmation of my calling. the provision of God and nendlela clear
clear direction where you need to go.
Bangikhipha kona wonke lawo bengacabanga ukuthi ngizongena ethimini ethize ngizothini ukuthi yabo. And then ubaba wathi niyazi lo ndawo ngingaya kuyo. Ngithi baba ingoba athi iseqo. I've never been there. Angazi nokuthi kuphuma kiyo ngani. You know. It was my first time.
Uzosuka eMaritzburg.
Uzosuka eMaritzburg eqo. Angazi umuntu, angazi lutho, angazi ngolinda lo mama lo. And then baba athi le ndawo isekuthini, abe sengiphu 10 rand leno mama mfundisi. Angiphu 10 rand athi uyothenga ama fruit endleleni. By that time it taxi was 15 rand or so. Eya eqo from Bhisop. But uNkulunkulu sengiprovide ngayo yonke le mali futhi extra, you know, sengino 180 something. Okay. Ngivuke ngakusasa ngibuyele ekhaya, senginayo ukugibela ukubuyela ekhaya, and nginayo imali ukusuka ekhaya ngiye la eNkulunkulu. The problem is isekhaya ke manje umama kufanele ngitshele umama ngizohamba ngendawo ethize uNkulunkulu khona. Yokuthi 1 2 3 bese masengiqedile ngizobuya ngizekhaya. It was very complicated for my mom ukuhlukana nentombazana nayo. And mind you, sisi wami akasekho, I'm the only girl now. And then kufanele umama avume ukuthi ngiye emzini engawazi. Kufanele avume ukuthi ngiye endaweni engayazi. Kufanele angibuke ngihamba nesuitcase ngiya nami la ngasihoma. You know, it was terrible. It was yo. And umama ngiyamkhumbula emile egcekeni ethi it's your phone. Okay, man's a phone, and by the time I'm a phone,
I discuss with it.
Phone. Okay, okay. You know, it was very painful.
Mother, fear in you preparing for this journey. Are you at peace or you're like, you know what, I know all the tips. I know the store, I know a woman coming, like, or it's like, what am I doing? Like, is this for real?
I don't know, but I was very excited.
Is it?
I know where to go.
Okay.
Number 2, ngiyokwenza lento begging yami for
some time.
Exactly. And then also the fact that he has provided me, it means he will.
And the clear direction of uyapi.
Okay. I was very excited, and mina now he's gonna go Paul, like, you know, the giant of faith. Nkulunkulu angikhize imali, anginikeze imali yokugibela, anginikeze umbono, mina I'm something else, you know. And lokho kwabula kimi, no, I'm something. This is calling kaNkulunkulu, angisayidambi. Yabo. Ngahamba ke ngisuka ekhaya, ngafika eXhopo, bangifaka emavenini wakhona, ahlanganisa impuphu, ahlanganisa imbuzi, ahlanganisa all those things. But I was, yes. Bantu bakhona bayangibuka, it's like ngiyangibona nje ngathi nje. Angiklama. Okay, but ngiyaya le yakhona ethi inde megaphone noshumayela it's megaphone sikislam blanket wami. Okay, mangifika it takes nje ingena. This is the place. I felt so happy. This is the place. Ndlela yokungena ngiyibonile. And isikole silayiqala uNkulunkulu ngitshengisile ngitshela negama laso. And then mayehla itaxi idlule esikoleni ithi nasi isitolo ngizokwehla shop. Yes. Ngihla lapho ngema ngalinda lento mama engakwazi.
Do you have the name of the mother?
No, mama is too Kophilifa. Kophilifa uzobe ephethe ipay lezokhamani. Yabo. Befika lo mama uzokubuza ukuthi laphi. Uzobeka ke konke. Oh, okay. So ngafika mina ngazimela lapha suitcase eceleni kwami, megaphone yami la, and yeah, laphele hour waiting. Kalaza.
And what time is it? Nine.
It was around about 3 to 4. Laphele hour. Okay, aqhamuka umuntu. Aqale hour lesibili yashwa. Aqhamuka umuntu uthe about something to 5:30. Wakhamba lo mama lo ubona ukuthi ujahile. Uyagijima ufuna la eduze kwami kunalento leyamanzi.
Okay, I see it. Listen.
Yes. Alento leyamanzi. Thina lo mama fike athi lento. Akusithi wengane yami kodwa umile. Uyaphi? That's it. Unkulunkulu
Yabakho.
Yo. Wahleka like wahleka kakhulu lokho okumembarasana, but unkulunkulu uthenge kwakho, I've been waiting for you.
Ngine wena la
uzoqhamuka vele la uqhamuke khona, and then mina ngilinde la uzozokha amanzi phethe emhlophe ugqoke nje ubugqokile, so ngiyakwakho nolala kwakho.
Ngubambani
athi angazi ukuthi ngubani mina noma ngangikwazi but
uthe ngiyakwakho
uthe ngizolala kwakho ngitshengisele ubusuku lelo ngokuthi njengoba ngiza la ngizolala kwakho. Usho ukuthi njengoba ngiphuma kwami ngipressure wenza into ukuthi amanzi anginawo ngiphumela wena.
Ayazi ngephala nje kabantu but ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngiyolala kwakho, that's all I know.
Yes. And she was like, wakuphi? Ngisho ukuthi wakuphi? Uzokwenzani la? Ngizoshumayela. Ngizoshumayela ba? I don't know. Okay. Wamemeza lo mama, wamemeza with a loud voice, which was so embarrassing. I felt ukuthi yazike uNkulunkulu. La obizweni uyasenza nje. Sibe angathi asikho right. Ngqondweni ukuthi yaqala yababhlungu ke manje. Wamemeza umngani wakhe umama Hadebe. Wathi by 6 Tonya umbiza ngegama. 6 Tonya. Yazongizala nansi ingane isanganela, you know. I was like, oh God,
no.
Lapho nje esanyuka umngani wakhe naye ehleka. Thothini? Naye ehleka umama uGlama umuhle. Ehleka thothini ingane abale yonke leyo nto ngenkathi bekhuluma mina I feel so embarrassed. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyashrink.
You feel small.
Ngiyashrink nje and yang irritate akusengamani ngilale noma ikuphi okunalabo mama labo yabo. Ngisambile kanjalo kufika itaxi. Le taxi le yehlisa bosisa bo2. Labo sisi oyi-1 phethe megaphone with ihorn ekhumbula ihorn.
Yes, I see horn.
Yes. Uphethe le horn and baphethe something ngathi kuyiredwanyana. Angazi kwakuyini kodwa ngiyabuka manje ukuthi kwakuyi amplifier or mixer or something. Yeah. So mabafika behle aphethe nama blanket. Ngibe interested
Ngiyathi abami ngathi kuthula
banqaze kahle bahle, but ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi bahluphekile. Ngime ngibalile uyanuka lo uyahleka lo mama lo. Bafike kimi wafike lo mama athi wengane yaphi? Yithi mina ngizela kule ndawo ngizoshumayela uNkulunkulu ukuthi angilinde uNcoma ngazi ukuthi uNcoma kodwa unitshengisile ukuthi uzoqhanga so sefikile ngizolala kwakhe. Abese lo mama ayibuthatha ingane sekuhlwile. Okay, bafike labo sisi ngenkathi lo mama usakha amanzi and esengiyamlekelela nje ukuthi kusheshe kulona. Ngithi kodwa niyakuphi? Babona suitcase nabo, babona suitcase yami, babona imakeup.
Babona iset yezinto ezifanayo phela ukuthi ngathi samba nexesha efana la no mama lo.
Niyakuphi nina? Bathi enesizele social media. Oh, okay. Niyolala kuphi? Bathi kuthiwe sofica umama ozokhanga. It was just a coincidence.
Now you're killing rice?
Yeah. Just so hamba siyolala kalo mama. Oh my.
The same mama?
The same mama. Niyamazi? No, smart. Wena? Kathi nami ngibengilindela for 2 hours. Seze wafika. So sengimtshelile. Nami ngiyakwakhe. uNkulunkulu usholo vele sengibona. Then we went there. Basinika around khona indlu around indala. We had to clean the house like yayingcolile. Like ingcolile. Sayicleana and then saqala salotsha khona ke yaze yaba indlu right sayilungisa inside out. Yaba right. Saqala ke khona senze inkonzo khona. Sesi group of 3.
Mama, is this mother a born again?
No.
Is she a uNkulunkulu misele umuntu ongahlangene navangeli.
Umuntu nje. Saqala khona senze imithandazo. Kanti ubaba wakalo mama lo udala ahamba ekhaya seGoli. Dala hamba unamakhosikazi amathathu. And then lamakhosikazi asele ngengane lo baba wavela shila kanjalo uhamba akasupporta lezi mixi. And ezisenze umkhuleko la kulo muzi lo. Bagcina labo mama labo besitshela ukuthi bacela ukuthandazelwa ubaba ekhaya wahamba and mina futhi let's shut lakhe let's something so ithandazela sanimthandazela lo baba lo kwaphela only 2 weeks silaphaya kwafika iletha lethu babuyeza the following week on Friday akayohlala Jesus. So it was a breakthrough yethu ke as ama-servants of God ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaqala uyasebenza. And family yalomuzi yonke yasinizwa yonke bakholwa bonke up to now.
Wow. Where are the sisters now? Osisi bona basuka kuphi? Njengoba basuka ePMP bona bawu2 basuka from where?
Usisi omunye sisikhombi yena bekasuka eGoli eNkwezela.
Close to your home.
Kodwa bengamazi. And then usisifikile wakaZulu yena bekasuka eSentokha. Le emotionally bekasuka khona
and yes, but I think
yeah, on your way to Makhuzini emotionally. But besuka ngokriteria. Bekasuka khona beka professional nurse waresigna ngebizo uzoqala nje befika la sonke sizoqala into esingayazi but we became a team
manje
eyafona umoya we became a team and then sasebenza from lapho sasebenza iqobo lonke. There is a very big church ekuthiwa iGrace Assembly eyaqalwa yithina eqobo. And njengamanje inomfundisi sifazane umfundisi ukhawula owayekhona kulaba abangishumayeza.
Okay.
Buka isakhe kaNkulunkulu. So uyena khona ke njengamanje as presiding pastor. So uNkulunkulu waqala lapho wasebenzisa iqoqo umzimkhulu Eastern Cape, Shonale, Bizana, Yoga City.
No wonder you're good at Xhosa. You do not speak Xhosa. Could I want to publish this Xhosa, but I had to stop it. So because you're butchering the language. You are very proper with the Makama with Xhosa. I'm telling you, there's few minutes in shit now. Your Xhosa is a bit upright. And I'm like, but Mkhize barista Mkhize. We don't have Mkhize as a guy, but this one, like a grounded a bit as a thing and doing.
Yeah, ngihlalile eBizana kakhulu. Ngasebenza eMthatha and network sengcobo. Ngihlala khona mhlawumbe for some months.
Different things like job. Mthatha wasegcobo.
And then ngahlala eSikisiki for quite a long time. but ke isiXhosa sasemzimkhulu siyasintsokotha
as you go up straight, and then as the Xhosa siyasuka you need to and this is quite new to me as well. Mama, you are there with the 3 sisters that uNkulunkulu provided as well. Who provides for you?
It was God, only God. Because usisi obemdala kithi ngeminyaka sisifikile eZulu.
Okay.
Yena bekamdala and beseke yena wasebenza. She was a professional nurse.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then resigner. But maga resigner vele bekangenamali. She was supposed to wait for a process yonke le eyenziwayo mangabe resignile kuze kuphume imali. For years. Yena yathatha mhlambe almost 3 years imali kuphuma. So we were suffering. But uNkulunkulu was our provider. He was our main source. And as ngisho kuwe ukuthi akayekanga ukuprovide literal uNkulunkulu ngokuvele asinikeze imali from the ground siyixoshe so up to the state. There is no time whereby ngithi anginayo imali, like completely, because meke kwafika leso sikhathi leso uNkulunkulu vele ayehlise ezulwini, ayehlise kufanele ngiyixoshe phansi, ngiyixoshe like ama-100 ngiyixoshe ngapay. You know, that was the confirmation of my calling up to now. This is why we ministry now calling yami ngingafuna ukuxabana nomoya ongcwele, ngingafuna ukuxabana noNkulunkulu. Whatever uNkulunkulu athi ngiyenze, ngiyakulwela ukuyenza ngendlela afuna ngiyenze ngakhona, because this relationship ingithathe ukumazi uNkulunkulu in a better way. uNkulunkulu engathi uyaprovide ngoba ngizwa ukushiya, but ngimbone kwenza
literally phambi kwakho.
Yes.
When you finish a Xhobo, how do you go about to start your own now? Aside from the Grace Church that is established in Xhobo, how do you go about uNkulunkulu be like, you know what, I'm done with the group thing now, I need you individually, like this is the path?
Enye ye part eyaba complicated we obizwa lami leyo, because kwakufanele ngiqale ngicrack a new ground. It was very complicated. Number one, njengoba besiseXhobo besingenayo right yokulinda ibandla since singebona abafundisi ngokufunda. So I had to break ground new yokuthi ngifuna ukwenza theology. I want to sit down and study. And that was very complicated for me, because akufanele ngi-answere ama-questions abuhlungu and give a friend to what I'm saying. Base bekhona abo mami sebeyile esikoleni besemphakathi, but I think it was understandable for them ngoba kade babakhona yabo, and thina team esekugcineni uLasipho, and mina after all these years sishumayela ngidecide ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda, you know, and I had to face ama-challenges ukuthi umuntu wesifazane aye e-Bible college, uzobuya nengane, uyofuna abantu besilisa, and uzobuya sekungaseyona lento kuyiyona, and all those things. But ngangizwa in my spirit ukuthi it's time.
Those stereotypes were there, Mama, even back then?
Yes. Kwayona into yokuthi ke ubiziwe nakhona kwakuseyenye yezinto lezo obona ukuthi questionable, and ungathi mawubiziwe ngathi ungaba ngaphasi komfundiso othize ozokuthuma ukuthi do this and
not ukuzimela
so kwafanele ngi break those grounds bese ngiba firm to what I'm saying. Kwaqala ke lapho kwaba very complicated again because impilo yayisilula yabona ngesikhathi sishukana abazalwane baphenduka bayasithanda bayasiprovide bayanikela back bayasigqokisa bathi yabo kumnandi nje and then sengizobreaka leyo ukuthi I'm leaving them sengiyohlala 3 years e-college ngiyofunda angifuni ungafundi yabo nje nginale nto no
ayizokwazi
ikhona lento okufanele ngifike kuyo engiyilangazelelayo futhi ngiyeza ukuthi ayidingwa yini dingwa uNkulunkulu angiyena vele umuntu walokhaya manje mangihlala la ngizogcina ngilokhaya angifuni so bangivumela ngahamba but umfundisi wami wenza sure ukuthi uvala yonke imithombo engaba usizo ezimfundo ngaya by faith kodwa makasekho bezongisiza my sister akasekho bezongilekelela and also my mother useshonile because iminyaka lesikhuluma nayo ukuthi my mother was gone sengisele nobhuti wami engimela ngayo nalo ongelamayo so sisele si-3 manje sifamily yabo nje isimo asisekho kahle so my college ngizaqala eThekwini by that time i-college yethu bisembili yase Faith Mission nje yonke Faith Mission yonke i-college enkulu bisembilo so ngakhona ngenza i-diploma yami khona in theology then kwaba unyaka lo probation unyaka wokuserva ngawenza ngobuyela khona uqoqo la ngisebenze khona bayoserva and then ngaordainwa as a pastor in the Apostolic Faith Mission.
So Mama, who provides like the funds?
Only God.
Because now the sources have been closed.
Only God. Only God. I remember ukuthi ngangike ngisuke la eThekwini by faith yangempela ukuthi uNkulunkulu yenza ukuthi ngihlangane nomuntu engizothi mangene itaxi ngiprovide imali yokuya and then when I come back ngicela ngiphe umuntu oyi-1 ozongibuyisa esikoleni ngangiphila kulowo musa kaNkulunkulu and uNkulunkulu waba faithful enough naze ngaqeda even ama-funds asesikoleni there is usisi wami sekhona namanje but usena 65 years uNkulunkulu angipha yena nje mangishumayele emzimkhulu uMamNonceba was there ezama because by that time waye underpaid emsebenzini the professional nurse but bemholela imali kaStaffness benga imali zakhe zivalekile nje for years until ahlangane nami then I prayed uNkulunkulu wamsiza wahola ngendlela efanele ahole nayo from lapho wangivaluisha as a sister then uNkulunkulu wasebenzisa yena in most of izinto zami eziningi uNkulunkulu wasebenzisa yena ukuthi aloke imali echeck ukuthi I'm okay and then nabanye abazalwane around ngomusa kaNkulunkulu there was imali kamama eyaphuma by then uNkulunkulu wangisiza ngakwazi ukubhadala ngayo enye and then sakhona ukuqhubekela phambili but i-provision was gone. Ngangenayo indawo where ngithi makuphela inyanga ngizothola something from lapha also nanokuthi-ke ezingila eThekwini besihlalela Montville nabanye abafundayo njengaloku ubengifonela nje recently besingane so bebesicela abazalwane ukuthi uzangisoshumayela like i-Apostolic Faith Mission esela Montville bamaphumulo manje noma ngizaphi so bebesicela kusekhona babukhuma before besicela bathi sisoshumayela masiqeda ukushumayela basipho umnikelo and that was another way uNkulunkulu ayesiprovide ngayo uthola ukuthi banginika mhlawumbe umnikelo unga-expectile close to 1,000 rand. Ngithatha le mali
That's a lot of money. It's like 1,000.
uqoka kuyo lana and bona I think they didn't know ukuthi basisiza kangane, but babesinikeza lokho mali sihlanganise la we a group of 4 sithenga ukudla kwala endlini and siyokhokha esikoleni sinemali yokutravela, like sase sifome a team nalabo esifunda nabo ukuthi mangabe uwena uthiwa shumayela kule viki imali akusiyona yakho yethu. Makubizwe mina this time.
No,
That was very complicated. That was very complicated. But uNkulunkulu wasisiza saqeda esikoleni and we graduated eGoli sabuya sazo ordainwa sababefundisi. Another challenge of being umfundisi wesifazane is that alikho ibandla libiza because kune system ebandleni lethu okuthiwa call out system whereby umfundisi ese ordainiwe ibandla lisiyamcela ezikithi yabo siyamcela as umfundisi wesifazane it's rare by that time kwaku-rare ukuthi ibandla lithi lifuna ukuba umfundisi wesifazane uzosimela athini ngeensuku zakhe zobuntombazane uzokwenza njani, like it was like akukho right ukuthi kube khona umfundisi wesifazane, but-ke uNkulunkulu wasisiza saqinisela lapho up to now.
Mama, I was going to ask ukuthi, I've noticed ukuthi being a woman pastor in our days, it's still tough.
Yeah.
Even though there's a flexibility here and there, yes, cutscene, it should have been even more tougher.
Yeah.
But what were the challenges? Just as a woman, the fact that umuntu wesifazane and now you have, and you're not even coming from a ministry, you're coming from faith. Faith is one of the strongest Pentecostal churches.
Yeah.
It's but like, you know what, you're not going to come with those tendencies, so it's not going to happen. What was the greatest challenge? Be like, you know what, I just wish one day I wake up and we would just answer so that I can achieve the mission of God.
The day esaordainwa ngalo kwakuyimi bese kuba umfundisi Mkhize yena uyimaid and then mina ngowesifazane ngithi, so mabaqeda ukusordaina fanele sojoyina lapha phezulu sihlale nabefundisi bahlala phezulu.
I just have a picture.
Yes, saordainwa kwi-conference ye-Passover.
Okay.
So it was packed. And then sekufanele siyohlala lapha phezulu. It was like wawuzwa ukuthi uhleli la i-audience yonke does not accept ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ayoba in the midst of abantu besilisa lapha phezulu. That was the first one. And secondly, lala uhlaliswe khona kunobaba abadala bebandla befundisa abadala kunalabo esifika nabo and bona ba-right ba-comfortable because abantu besilisa and wena uyabo nje uyi-one lapho. And
I think there was no women at the time. It was just you and you. I would have found that very awkward.
babekhona njengoba ngisho ukuthi babekhona osisi laba aba-before us about 3 omamningi kodwa babehamba kakhulu so bengabi khona emaphasikeni wethu most of isikhathi. So I was the first woman ukohlala lapha phezulu yabo, and kumina ngangekho comfortable at all ngangikhalela ngathi bangangiordena bangibuyisele lapha phansi komama umfundisi.
Because you feel it now.
Yes, exactly. So kufanele ngijwayele lokho ukuthi okay ngihlala lapha. At the same time, I'm not sure ukuthi abomama umfundisi bathini. Angithi abobaba bayathanda lokho bekhuluma Mkhize. Hey, uyabona manje Mkhize. Ngizithiwa Mkhize uzoshwela namhlanje and you know lokho kimina kwakuba ngathi ameva ngihlabayo because I don't know ukuthi bafila njani laphaya.
Already their hearts, you are feeling hearts out, they don't want this.
Yabo. So wahlala nje uzwe ukuthi yazini uphuma nje khalela ukudonja kusho ukuthi ayikho indlela befundisi bani. Yabo. But kwaba complicated lokho kwaphinde kwazoba complicated manje sesiya kwi-reality ukuthi bona ke abefundisi besilisa ezikuyi-field yabo bayangamukela
I was going there
as part of them.
I was going to the field.
Kuma conversations abawenzayo adinga ukuthi nami ngibe involved. Do they involve me? Yabo. Nabo kuse complicated ukuthi ene balokhu bengiphula ini. Yabo. So ezinye zezinto zazingidlula zingeqa because nami ngangina into esoyangiye meeting nobaba kuphela meeting you know, and ezinye ngangiphushwa umongameli wami because he was so loving ngoba umongameli Bhisop Mkhize usesenkosini. He was so loving, angipusha athi ngiyafuna lapha, I want you to be there. Kunezinto engifuna uzenze lapha. So babe ngithatha as umuntu osevayo, you know, mangabe umuntu esifazane uwedwa end up provide ngamanzi, yenza ama setups okuhlala, you end up
I get you.
ufila as if wena kufanele usebenze because vele kula ukuthi
I get you.
mawunabantu besilisa abefundisi kufanele ube like isebenze or something. And then sangena kanjalo up to the point where ufila ukuthi you know what, sengilendile ngeke then sengithola indawo yokuhlala. Come with the club, you know, come what may.
Was that perfect?
I am a pastor. I am an ordained pastor in Apostolic Field Mission. If kunama meeting abefundisi ngilapha, whether ngiyedwa or ngilapha. Uma ngabe kunama meetings adinga national abefundisi nationally, ilapho kulawo ma meetings because I am a pastor. La we take him by the presiding pastor. So I mahluko. Then I came to a point where I say ngizamkela mina.
I was gonna go there, but it was self-acceptance because this is it.
And mangizamkela, I felt ukuthi you know manje ngithola umhlaba ngokuhlala. And ngiyeza ukuthi ngilendile am here. Yabo. And from lapho ke ngaqala ngabreaka ama new grounds again ukuthi the best ezongenza ukuthi ngingabe frustrated ukuthi there is no church that is calling me. Let me just break the new grounds. Stand ministry. Ngiqala ibandla somewhere. I had to come to a point la ngithi uNkulunkulu ngiyothandaza nginikeza direction again. Ngiyoqala kuphi? Angifuni ukuba seqoqo whereby abazalwane baseqoqo bezothi sifuna ukukhonza noMkhize
ngoba bayaphuma la. Okay.
No.
Okay.
And angifuni ukuthi abazalwane engibazele enkosini ngenkathi bengishumayela ngingelutho bangidabukele bese befuna ukuthi abayoba there kwi-ministry
support because she mama I get you.
Ngibona lena.
So mama ufuna ukudabukelwa ne
mix sithambe sami.
Because I think of this a lot of times, like I put a dabukelwa bandla. You're right.
I just want to feel like ukuthi le into yenziwe uNkulunkulu. Uma ibheda izobe ibhedi nesandla sikaNkulunkulu. But mangabe yenziwe igroup yabantu abangizwela inhlungu, then I'm not sure whether izolast. Yabo. So ngabreak ama new grounds. uNkulunkulu wathi angize eThekwini. Oh no. EThekwini angazi umuntu.
You are still in PNB. All of this.
I was in ICOP.
Useqobo ngesikhathi. Okay.
Yes.
Eqobo wamanga altogether ufunde uhlala the time ufunda uyaqhubeka with not when I thought ukuthi ubuyele emuva, I thought ubuyele emuva ekhaya and then
sexhobo full time ekhaya ngaliyeka. Ngiya only ekhaya mangabe si relief. Like a month ngibasekhaya ngibona ukuthi thiwani ngikhonza ekhaya yonke leyo nto. After that ipheli leave ngibuyela emsebenzini kakhulu. Noma sengila eThekwini, it was very complicated for me ukusuka la ngekhaya because kwafanele mangabe sivala esikoleni phindele late minutes yasetshenzwa yabo, and then mangifika khona bethi hayi selivini then I go home. Yeah. So mangisuka la esikoleni
it's the first time I'm hearing umuntu obiziwe ekhuluma nge-leave. I always feel ukuthi you guys work overtime. You guys you work extra than anyone else.
Yes, sizalento ukuthi umfundisi oweza ezophatha ibandla leli selisebenzile eqoko by then umfundisi uBasi uBeatrice Basi sisenkosini naye ubaba wayesefundile yena ukuthi abakhona ama-leave. So was introduced kuleyo nto nisasicabanga thina ukuthi uyasuyisa-ke manje lo mfundisi ofikile uyasuyisa thina siyazi leyo umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu nawo ngekela. Wathi no nizofa. Imvuselelo siya elivini siba ngomthandazo sibonga uNkulunkulu imvuselelo siyenzile. Uyobona abantu basekhaya uyojabula and then come. So refreshing. So wasifaka kuleyo nto.
Yeah, I love that concept.
That's another concept.
I love that.
Yeah. So ngazoqala ke ngo-2004 ngazoqala eWoodlands Montclair. Yes, nakhona uNkulunkulu wangenzela umhlolo nje indaba seMontclair ngingasinjalo ngazi kanje ngafika kanjani I don't know, but ngenkathi ngifunda i-lecturer yami yayisebenzisa i-practical theology kwaku-Mr. Cele, umfundisi uCele, angisazi bandla lakho kwakhona lethi umfundisi uCele. So elinye ilanga engiliftile sisuka esikoleni angihlala la eFleeting Albert Park ohlala khona. So mengiliftile ubaba ngiza la endlini uthi kimi to see this place. Yes. Wena ngifuna umsebenzi la. Khona. Ngibule emakhaya. Kodwa emakhaya naziqoqo. Makhaya mzimkhulu. Amakhaya ngiyawathanda.
No problem, ngirayi.
Nami futhi ngisuka emakhaya vele. So nje into eso abelungu bodwa laba, and by that time kwakusamikise kakhulu eWoodlands ngihlala belungu amakhaladi ama-Indians. So ngasona no ways athi ngiyakutshela wena ngihile ngisebenza la wena uma ngakuqeda ukufunda angamnandi. Kanti kuzothi mangabe sengibuza i-direction uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngiyakuphi ngosebenza uNkulunkulu angikhuluma uthini whereabout ithini ngibona ngiphansi enhle. Nansi ngiyangayidlula engayidlula for the first time nganginaba ngazi ukuthi kanjani, but iyo le then kwaba ukuthi-ke ngizama eThekwini. Ngamukelwa abazalwane bana eThekwini ngasengibazi ngaleskhathi ngifunda, and then bangamukela, and then uzonzani la hayi ngizosebenza ukuthi ngizosebenza endaweni eso angikhapha sengisurvey sayibona indawo uzosebenza kanjani la kanjani athi yes kungukuthangise la. And then khona lapho ngisafunda ukuhlala ngizama ukwenza inkonzo ezingatheni, ngizama ukuzenzela ama-friends la ngaphakathi, which was very complicated. Usisi wami lo ebengithi bekaloku engisiza uma nginomncebe avele athi ngifuna ukuresign emzimkhulu, ngifuna ukuzohlala eThekwini. Do you know indawo nje engingathenga kuyona umuzi?
Yes! Say what?
Kukuphi ngithi nawe sisizofuna noma ngabe kuphi ngizohamba isithembu lonke
Zokucingela
ngicingela mntana sekhaya ngizofuna noma ngabe kuphi. But okay, kana ke assignment yakho yokufuna from tomorrow. Ngithi mina impela bathi yes. Usu-ready? What I'm ready. Okay, imali ikhona. Okay. Ngafuna ke. Ngoma agency ngifuna ukuklisha TV. Kanti sizothola umuzi khona uClass. Ngithola khona. Ngamtshela usisi wafika uzoviewa, wothanda, wothenga, hlala khona. Abuyele emuva yele emsebenzini because i-process yokuresigna yathatha isikhathi. Ubuyele emsebenzini, mina ngami sengihlala la vele. Angisarenti indawo, sengihlala la kusisi. Aqala ibandla khona. Aqala ibandla ngabantwana abazivama ukuhlala. Abangozi nje. Badlala babebaningi. Ngiyakhona ngihlala. Ngizama indlela yokungena. Ngizama indlela yokufundisa something. Angazi ngizoqalaphi, you know. Then that is how I started my church in Mkhize.
Oh wow. Mama, for how long have you been at the ministry now?
Oh, from 1993 up to now, it's almost 20-something years.
Wow.
Yeah, it's almost 20-something.
Mama, it's 30. It's not even 20 something. This is a 30 years.
30 or so.
So did you say numbers? Umlungu mama umazi bakubasa umazi.
Umazi ukuthi wenjani. Ngikaze ngimbone ngazi uNkulunkulu oprovide i-ministry yami ukuze ngibe namhlanje. I'm owning a house, I'm having cars, I'm having things around me. God has provided. I'm blessed.
Mama, what's the greatest? Because only testimonies are when I was in 60. It's still. That's why you picture Elijah when Elijah was actually being taken by this whirlwind, whatever.
Yeah.
What's one of the biggest testimonies? It doesn't have to be big, but one of the testimonies that still gives you be like, there is God of it. Like, namprova kile. But what's one testimony that stands out for you till now? We're like, yeah, there's a God out there.
Ukubona uNkulunkulu efulfilla lokho athe angikwenze without effort yami. Is to see uNkulunkulu ehamba ahead. Because lokho nje ukuthi I'm leading a church engiqale mina. Wonke lama branches ayikho branch engifice ikhona, but wonke lama branches akhona liwaqale mina. Ukubona uNkulunkulu efulfilla lokho ayethe angikwenze ngibone ngikuthini, and ukubona uNkulunkulu provide lokho engangicabanga ukuthi kutholwa only if you are employed. You know, ukubona uNkulunkulu engenza ngibe sisithembi, you know, engenza ba no, it's to see God ehamba naye up to this point, and ukumbona uNkulunkulu ngelanga. You know, ngikhumbula last year I was doing my honors with theology with UKZN. Nakhona ngabona uNkulunkulu engifaka, you know, engifaka I pursue kakhulu into yokufunda yothando. So ngabona uNkulunkulu eveza abantu abathi woza manje, we're waiting for you kune space sakho, and sine bursary was nje manje sende into zakho, thumela into zakho. Ukubona uNkulunkulu enza indlela ezinkulu ziba very easy for me. Yiloko bongenza njalo ngithi there is God. And umuntu obizwa uNkulunkulu enesiqiniseko sokuthi uNkulunkulu ombizile akasweli. As much as ekhona ama-challenges aba-personal, ekhona ama-challenges alwayo nobizo, kodwa ukubona uNkulunkulu eba-outstanding regardless of izinto ey'khona ukwenza ukuthi singamane mhlele.
Obviously, you are in a partner like this is home.
I'm sorry.
There's nothing else that you want to do besides
I'm so noma ngabe inkosi ithi angibele lapha phezulu nemeze ngengibuza ukuthi how. Okay, let me just go there because ngimbonile uNkulunkulu eba uNkulunkulu wezwi lakhe, eba uNkulunkulu womuntu ambizileyo. This is why ibuhlungu into yabantu ababizwa manje, because you don't have a history. Awumbonanga uNkulunkulu eba uNkulunkulu kungekho lutho. And this is why you find ukuthi they are demanding, ngoba abayazi into ukuthi mawulambile kuyayiwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi mahangwe uNkulunkulu aqhathazisile asibili tafini usidle bithi leyo nto ingenza ngithi noma ubani obizwe uNkulunkulu akasoze aswele. Uma kufika ukuswela kuzobe kumprepare for something great, not ukuthi kuzomnceda